Everybody is talking about Jacinta Adhiambo. Social media in Kenya is on fire, and the name is Jacinta Adhiambo. Adhiambo. Now, who is this lady? Is it true that she's just a prostitute? Or is there another game here being played? Actually, Jacinta Adhiambo has been online for over a year now. Her popularity started rising beginning of 2017 as more and more people started paying attention to this crazy lady. The first thing my investigation has revealed is that although she calls herself Adhiambo Nyarsiaya, she's actually a lady from Teso, Busia. Even her physique is Teso Busia woman. Now let me tell you something about ladies from Teso. Women from Teso are known to be very tough. Husband beaters. Yes, that is correct. Husband beater. They beat up men. They never want nonsense. Now if you think that some men do not like this kind of ladies, that men don't like tough ladies, you are very wrong. Actually, a real Kenyan man will not want any less of a woman. Let me put it a little more clearer. You see, there are men who love tough women. Tough women are a big turn-on for them. It just drives a man crazy when this tough woman, very tough, even some men fear her, when he finally conquers her in the bedroom. Do you know what I mean? When he finally conquers her, that is a very big turn-on. Now this our world is perplexing, very perplexing. Na kama hujatembea huwezi jua, there are very many Teso women, in fact tough women from Nyanza and Western Kenya, who cannot climax until there's a very big fight between her and the man. The game in the bedroom starts with a very serious fight, and she will try her best to overcome and overpower the man. Of course, if she succeeds in overpowering the man, then nothing will happen. But her greatest joy is when the man finally overpowers her, and she is helpless and she is forced to submit to that man. That is what gives her a very, very big climax. Nothing less than that. And if you doubt me, tembea Western Kenya, tembea Nyanza, and you'll come back and you'll tell me. Anyway, back to Jacinta Adhiambo. Jacinta Adhiambo is a real man's woman. Kama wewe sio mwanaume, do not waste time. Now these real men, many of them are in the cities, many of them are in Nairobi, and they miss their real Teso women. They miss their real Nyanza women. If you want to understand what has attracted attention to Nyarsiaya, aka Jacinta Adhiambo, then you need to understand what I have just told you. Now her latest photos have really attracted attention because she has videos where she's using fish. Other videos, she's using chicken leg, the big thigh of a real African Jogoo chicken. This has really attracted and excited her clientele. Now I don't know if Adhiambo knows that what she's doing is illegal. It is pornography, and pornography is illegal. It is against the law. But maybe she does not care much because she makes over 10,000 Kenya shillings daily. Hiyo ni 300k per month. Now that is real money. Even in these tough economic times, that is real besha. But Adhiambo is very clever. She does not have an expensive lifestyle. In fact, an interview she carried online last year, she said that her rent is only 5,000 Kenya shillings per month, of course. Even when you look at the surroundings where she has taken the videos and the pictures, they're obviously surroundings of low rent. 5,000, 2,000, rents like those. Now some people have called her a prostitute, but that is not technically correct, because Jacinta Adhiambo sells photographs of herself. She does not sell herself. That is, she does not meet clients physically. All she does is sell photographs, she sells videos. You send her money, she sends you what you want. Jacinta has a daughter who is about 6 years old, although we have seen photographs of her with a boy. But according to investigations, she has only one child, a girl. Jacinta Adhiambo has really excited social media, and we are going to keep you very much up to date on what she's doing and information that will be difficult for you to find anywhere else, except on this channel called You Missed This. So kindly subscribe, and I can assure you I'll be doing my best to give you as many videos as possible of mushene and gossip that you cannot get in any other channel on YouTube. This is Fredo signing off. Nitakumiss before the next video.